Financial planning for the future. Veterans have unique needs, and they also have access to different programs.
Attorney Justin Randall joins us now from Hooper Law Office. Good morning to you, Justin.
Good morning.
All right, let's talk about some of the unique planning that you guys do for veterans and their families.
Yeah, so one of the programs we use a lot for veterans and their surviving spouses deals with wartime veterans specifically. And what this benefit is it's essentially a direct pension payment to them. And it can also be to the surviving spouse of that wartime veteran. It's a tax-free payment that goes directly to them, and it's based off of their service and how much in income they're getting, and also, if they're lower assets, that can really help them out.
You touched on a few of them, but what are the benefits of that program?
Careful, don't check.
Yeah, so it is a pension payment. It is tax-free directly to the account of the veteran. We use this a lot for people who are going into long-term care because it can be a way to really bridge the gap for people who maybe have some level of income but not enough to cover their cost of care. It can really help them private pay a lot longer and maybe get into a facility that meets their requirements a little more than they otherwise would. The best part of this benefit, and it's really not touched on a lot, I don't think, is the fact that it can be used for the surviving spouse of the wartime veteran as well, which is not a population that you generally see touched on when people talk about veterans benefits.
So how do you help veterans with this benefit?
So all of the attorneys in our office are VA accredited, which in order to give advice on this program, you have to be accredited through the VA. What we do is we look at what that veteran's situation is in terms of assets and income and health, and we can help them figure out whether they do qualify for this now based on their service and the asset amounts, or if there's anything that needs to be done to help them get qualified. And it can be, we talk a lot about long-term care, but this can also be a really great benefit for people who are just lower income veterans as well. So we take a look at the whole picture and really tell them what needs to be done, or if anything needs to be done other than an application.